Hello, we are studying cam and follower. So in previous lectures we have gone through the classification of cams and classification of followers. Now in this lecture let us study the cam terminology. Number 1 is cam profile. Profile of cam surface with which the surface of follower is always in contact is called as the cam profile. So this is one of the arbitrary cam profile I have shown. So it is in contact with the roller follower, for example. Number 2 is base circle. It is the smallest circle drawn tangent to the cam profile from center of rotation of cam. So this is the base circle, which is the smallest circle drawn tangent to the cam profile with center at the center of rotation of cam. Number 3 is the trace point. It is theoretical point of the follower which is used to generate the pitch curve. For knife edge follower, it is the tip of knife edge, and for roller follower, it is the center of the roller. And in case of flat face follower, it lies on the surface of the flat plate. So for the case shown here, we have used roller follower. So center of roller will be the trace point. Now pitch curve is the path generated by trace point as the follower moves relative to the cam. Now if we suppose that cam rotates in clockwise direction about its center, follower will rotate in counterclockwise direction. If we held the cam stationary going by the inversion principle, kinematic inversion, actually the cam is rotating but we held the cam stationary, the follower has to rotate counterclockwise. And while it rotates over the surface of this cam profile in opposite direction of cam rotation, the path traced by this pitch point is called as the pitch curve. So this is the pitch curve along which the trace point will move while the follower is traveling around the cam profile. So like this, the trace point will trace the pitch curve. Now let us show the various instances of follower rotation around the surface of the cam profile. Next one is prime circle. The smallest circle drawn tangent to the pitch curve with center at the cam rotation axis is called as the prime circle. Okay, so base circle is the circle tangent to the cam profile, and prime circle is the circle tangent to the pitch curve, having their centers at the center of cam. So this is the prime circle for roller follower, and it will always pass through the center of roller. Okay, and for knife edge and flat face follower, it is identical to the base circle. Now direction of the follower motion. Now this is the line along which the follower will reciprocate as the cam rotates about its axis. So this line is called as line of action of the follower. Now according to the principle of kinematic inversion, if we held the cam stationary, follower is rotating in opposite direction of cam rotation over the surface of cam profile. And these are the various instances of follower motion. Okay. Now we will mark the line of action of the follower at all these instances. So this is the line along which the follower is reciprocating. So this is called as line of action of follower. And these are the line of action of followers at various instances of rotation over the cam profile. So at all these particular instances, follower will reciprocate along this line. Okay. Now pressure angle, it is angle between the direction of follower motion and normal to the pitch curve at any point on the pitch curve. Okay. So I will show one more line of action of the follower at this particular instant. At the point where this line of action intersects the pitch curve, let us draw a tangent to the pitch curve. then if we draw the normal to this tangent, the angle between this normal and the line of action shown in green color is called as the pressure angle. Okay. Now pressure angle represents steepness of cam profile. Okay. And it varies in magnitude at all the instances of follower motion. So it will have some maximum value as well as some minimum value. High values are not desirable as it may jam the cam bearings. Now pitch point is the point on the pitch curve having maximum pressure angle. Okay, as we have seen that pressure angle varies at all the instances of follower rotation. So it will have some maximum value, and the point on the pitch curve where the pressure angle is maximum is called as pitch point. So let us suppose that this is my point where pressure angle is maximum, so I will call that point as pitch point. Now fixed circle drawn through the pitch point with its center at the cam rotation is called as pitch circle. So this is the pitch circle shown in yellow color, which is passing through the pitch point where pressure angle is maximum. Now lift or stroke of the follower. Now as the cam rotates, follower will reciprocate along its line of action or line of stroke. So it will travel from lowermost to the topmost position. And the maximum travel of the follower from lowermost to the topmost position is called as lift or stroke of the follower. So here using the trace point, that is center of roller, I have shown the stroke or lift of the follower. Next is the angle of ascent or angle of rise. So angle turned by the cam during the time when follower rises is called as angle of ascent or angle of rise. Sometimes we call it as outstroke angle. So let us rotate the cam about its center. Now the angle turned by the cam during the left of the follower is outstroke angle theta O. Angle of descent or angle of return is the angle turned by the cam during the time when the follower returns to the lowermost position from top to bottom. Say this is, for example, the angle turned by the cam during the return stroke of the follower, which is indicated by theta r. Now, angle of dwell is the angle turned by the cam while the follower remains at rest at highest or lowest position. Okay, say follower is at the lowest position, and for some rotation of the cam, it is not moving, it is at the rest. That period is called as dwell period, and the angle turned during dwell period is the dwell angle. This can happen at the lowermost position or topmost position. 15 is the angle of action or cam angle. It is the angle turned by the cam during the time between beginning of rise and end of the return of the follower. Thank you.